Welcome to Super Kids Cartoon Channel. Today I will teach you rhyming words. So let's start. Boy, toy, cap, map, pen, hen, car, jar, pin, tin, sing, ring, duck, luck, cat, mat, ball, doll, tree, free, moon, soon, name, game, jug, mug, fell, bell, park, dark, board, coat, kick, sick, slow, glow, rose, nose, right, night, catch, match, round, sound, dream, cream, monkey, donkey,